Before we dig into AI's role, let's cover off on what the product management lifecycle is. We're going to discuss a version of the lifecycle that Pendo and Mind the Product first introduced in the Product Management Basics Certification course. It's a more data-driven version that empowers product managers to focus on business outcomes, not just shipping features, which makes it especially prime for applications of AI. At the highest level, the product management lifecycle is a cyclical framework for how great products are built and improved. Here's an overview of each of the 6 phases. The very first phase is what we call phase 0, which is define a business outcome. You have to start product development with a clear business objective so that you know what you're setting out to achieve. Doing so anchors your efforts throughout the entire life cycle to what's important to your company overall. From there, phase 1 is discover. Once you've identified the outcome you're looking to achieve, the next step is to understand the problems that are standing in the way of achieving it. You'll dig into questions like, what's preventing customers from retaining at a higher rate? What's blocking adoption? What do users need in order to be more successful? In this first phase, you'll uncover and understand the pain points of both your customers and the larger market. Phase 2 is validate. Validation is the process of collecting data to ensure you're headed towards the right solution for users. If you've done discovery well, you'll have clear problems and many potential solutions to those problems. In this phase, you'll work to validate your product ideas in order to determine the right solution to move forward with. Phase 3 is build. After you've aligned on what to build, engineers get to work. But the work for product managers isn't over. During the build phase, you'll partner closely with engineers and product designers to ensure your idea comes to life as intended, or determine how to pivot if needed. This is when you'll also share and adjust the product roadmap. Phase 4 is launch. Now it's time to get this new functionality out into the world and ensure customers adopt and continue using it. In this phase, you'll work closely with marketing, customer success, and sales to build a go-to-market plan that connects your target audience and shapes their behavior. Phase 5 is evaluate. After you've launched a new product or feature, it's critical to evaluate its success by using both quantitative and qualitative data. And phase 6 is iterate. Not long after you've started collecting and analyzing data, you'll move into iteration mode and determine how you can improve what you built. And just like that, you've kicked off another rotation of the life cycle as you move back into product discovery. The ultimate value of this version of the product management lifecycle is that it helps companies optimize their R&D spend. When done right, product managers have confidence in what to build and better optimize design and engineering's time, which is extremely powerful in improving the impact of the product team. For large, more traditional companies, this framework also helps them modernize how they build digital products and foster more sophisticated product organizations. The product management lifecycle framework is also full of opportunities for product managers to use AI. Through the rest of this module, we'll dig into how AI can be applied at each phase of the lifecycle.